Welcome to TP-Link Speedway for the highly anticipated TP-Link Cup. Let's take a look at our two contestants who will be tasked with delivering large HD video files to the finish line. Now in the inside lane, we see our defending champion, the N300. He's equipped with 2x2 MIMO intelligent antenna technology and won his title by reaching speeds of 300 megabits per second. In the outside lane is this year's newcomer, the N450. He looks pretty confident due to his processor, which is equipped with 3x3 MIMO technology and has the power to propel him to astounding speeds of up to 450 megabits per second. And they're off! The N300 starts with a slim lead. The N450 is looking to make his move. It looks like he's trying to take the inside. Oh, the N300 is not making it easy for him today. They're approaching a final turn, and it all comes down to this. What a move by N450! He passes on the outside! His customized Qualcomm CPU is really making a difference. The 3x3 MIMO technology is allowing him to transfer 3 separate data streams at the same time and reach speeds of up to 450 megabits in the final lap. And the N450 blazes to the finish line, easily delivering his HD video cargo before the N300 even knows what happened. After this thrilling race, the N450 finally claimed the TP-Link Cup. Now it looks like our champion is enjoying his well-deserved reward. Introducing the N450, simply faster.